Hi guys, and welcome to this video and to this course. I am super excited to be teaching you all about content marketing. Now inside of this video, we are going to dive into something called choose your objective. Now choosing your objective when you are working with clients or if you're creating content for yourself is super important to do. Basically choosing your goal. So there are a few things to think about here before we head in and start creating content, basically YouTube videos, Instagram posts, maybe blog posts, etc. And that is, what goal do we have with our content marketing? So let's dive into the different types of metrics that we have to look over before we're doing just that. So first off, we're having business goal. Then we're having social media goal and we're having content goal. So let me break this down for you in a little bit more detail. Now, one business goal might be that you would like to grow the brand. So you're working for a client, let's say, and they're telling you like, okay, with the social media or the content marketing that I would like you to do for me, I would like to make sure that you are growing my brand. And to grow the brand, you need to get awareness from current and also from potential new customers. Basically, you need to get their attention so that they understand what you are selling. If you are selling products, if they're selling maybe services or whatever it might be. But you would like to get awareness and attention from current and potential audience. So the content goal must then be to get new subscribers to, for example, the newsletter maybe, or for the YouTube channel, maybe to get new followers on Instagram and to get maybe more Facebook shares. So to grow the brand, you need to get attention from new audience and from an old audience to get subscribers, followers, and shares. The next business goal might be to form relationships. So this is to get more engagement from current and from new audiences. So basically you would like to get interactions from new people and people that already know your brand to build trust. So this means that your content goal in this order would be to get likes, comments, and mentions. You know, those kind of mentions, like if your sister doesn't answer here on this Facebook post within 5 minutes, she has to buy you 1 kilo of candy, for example. You need to get engagements to form new relationships. And then we're having drive leads, of course. So this is to get our customers into the consideration phase. Basically, we would like to get informations from new potential customers. So this would mean to get more email signups on their website, for example, to get more website clicks, to get video views, so that we understand more of what our audience likes, and also, for example, that we can give away free stuff so that we can get their information like email addresses, phone numbers, contact information. And then we're having the last business goal, which would be to drive sales, of course. Now you need to get that conversion in order to drive sale, right? So therefore we need to get results from your current and from potential customers. So the content goal would then be for you to get social media mentions, to get testimonials, and to get reviews. Basically for the new audience to see that the products and services that you are selling or that the company that you are working for are selling works, that people likes their product and their brand. So basically, before you are starting to work with any client or with content marketing for yourself, you need to determine your business goal. And your business goals goes in line with your social media goals and content goals. And of course, you will have this full template in the resources for this video. So you can just click in the resources for this video, download it, and use this every time that you are starting to work with a new client, or if you are creating content for your own business and for your own business purposes. And well, go to the resources, download this in the resources, and I'll see you in the next video.